welcome. Here at Just for Fun, I like to do different kinds of things. But one thing I try to stay away from is Arduino. Yes, because I didn't know what it was. I didn't want to get involved with it. It looked complicated and etc. etc. Anyway, my nephew gave me, well, he didn't give it to me. He lent me his Arduino. He's got a Arduino, I think, Nano. Let me get it out of here. I'll get back to you when I get. Oh dear. Okay, so here it is. It's Arduino Uno R3, and that's the board there. Now I have looked into a little bit of it, and I found that you got input outputs, and the main chip is there, etc., etc., and you connect it to the computer via this lead here. And this is the external supply of 9 volts. So I'm going to, as a beginner, have a go at a couple of experiments that you can actually do on board. And let's see what happens. If I like it, I might invest in one of these things and see where it can lead us to. Now, I do like electronics. As you know, I like electronics, I like engineering, I like making steam engines and stuff like that. So this would be nice to, if I could understand it a bit, how to program it, stuff like that, and get into it. Thank you very much. So there you go, guys. This is the board, and I got the lead right here, which I'm going to just plug it in. But I am going to look at the computer screen there with this camera. I'm not sure how well it will turn out, but we will explain things as we go along. So this is plugged in, as you can see. Can you see the flashing? There's a flashing light. If you type Arduino IDE, it'll bring you to this page. You can download it from here. This is my page opened up here, and already got a blink on there, as you can see. But the way I got there is File, Example, number 1, Basic. There's a blink. Onto that. That's what you get open then. Now I've got 2, I think. Anyway, so blink. This is the program. Yeah. Hang on. That's the program. As you can see, it's 1000. It's what that means is 1 second delay between there and there. So if we look at if we upload this first, which is this upload. Now it's uploaded. If you look at down here, see it's blinking at 1 second interval. In theory. So I'm going to change that to 2 seconds. We'll see difference. So this is the 1 second flash going on here, as you can see, and I'm uploading 2 seconds now, so I should be uploading. Should take longer now to flash. It is. Okay, so I'm gonna make it 3 seconds flash and 1 second interval. As you can see, guys, now it's flashing, staying on longer and going off shorter. So it's going off for a second and staying on for 3 seconds. So that's just by adjusting the numbers there, as you can see. Okay guys, so ignore everything on this board here except this LED. Okay, so we're only looking at the LED. LED is the only thing that's connected to the Arduino board. As you can see, it's fading in and out, which is what the program is doing. If you look at this on the screen, I don't know if you can see, it's very faint, but it's a fade program. The example on the actual board, Arduino thing itself. So that's all the inputs and outputs and brightness and how long it takes to fade and stuff like that. So what I've done is I've connected the board, the pin 9, to resistor 220 ohms, and through the resistor connected the LED, and the other side of the LED going to the ground, which is the 4th pin from this side. Let me show you. From this side, 4th pin. And I haven't got proper connectors, so I just used my wire at the moment. So that's experiment 2 done, and I'm going to leave it there for now. I don't know how the recordings turned out, video and etc. But please forgive me if it's not really brilliant. But yeah, I do like this Arduino board. I can see what I can do with it, because you can actually adjust stuff on here, upload it, then disconnect it from the computer and do it that way. So I'm going to mess a little bit with the brightness, see if I can change something before we let it go. So guys, the only thing I've changed is the brightness on one side, and you can see it there, it flicks as before, it comes back on. So there, you can't really change much more than that, I suppose, but there you go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, put a yellow LED in and it's showing better with the yellow LED coming on and off. So that's your fade button, as it were.